So today we're starting an all-new build series. We're super excited to introduce the... Wait, shouldn't you be in front of the camera?
Yeah, I mean, I guess it is my truck, so I'll take it from here.
That's right. I bought a nearly 20-year-old Land Rover, and we're gonna see what we can do with it. I've got some general ideas of where we're going with it. Wanted to stay a budget build because I basically got it for a steal to start with, and I'd like to kind of keep it that way in case anything crazy goes wrong. But I do want it to get me some places and do some fun adventures in it. For me, what that looks like is being able to stealth camp when my wife and I are doing cross-country road trips, being able to do some true backcountry camping, getting to some places that I want to be able to, not crazy rock crawling or anything, but just getting out there. And then I also am going to use it for my job, so able to keep gear, a good platform to be able to throw a bunch of stuff in and not have to worry about it. There's some maintenance stuff that just needs to be done. So that's thing number one. You'll notice when we get in there, sunroof was leaking, so there's some water damage, and I just had to jump right into taking care of that because it rained a couple days before I bought this thing. Obviously, this is broken, and Rick sent me a listing on eBay the day I bought this. So new brake lights already here. So that's one of the first things we're gonna have to take care of. For a 18-year-old vehicle, honestly, the interior is in pretty good shape. Exterior too, really. Not a lot of crazy stuff going on in here. A couple little scratches here and there. The main thing is this sunroof that was leaking. So you can see they've already changed out these A-pillars, and they did a very stylish job with this bad maroon upholstery. So I have some new A-pillars on the way, either on the way or for a future episode in a visit to a Rover graveyard. So along with the things that we knew about when I purchased this vehicle, I have discovered a few more things that need to be done, like this. For the build series, there's kind of three categories for me because it is older and I got a deal on it. There's some maintenance stuff that just needs to be done. So that's first category. The second category will be doing some organization with Brog gear, obviously. Third will be the camping platform, just kind of getting it set up to be able to do these adventures. And then category 4, we will try to just make it look as cool as possible. So stay tuned for the rest of this build series where we're gonna talk about storage, organization, building a sleep platform, and whatever else we find along the way.